useState is a hook in React that allows you to add state to functional components. Okay, this is I've taken a sample React application and I've added a sample page. Use state hook. Let's create a example on useState. I'll just say RFC. Yeah, I created a functional component here, and so what I'll do, let's create a sample page. Whenever we click on plus symbol, it automatically update the counter. Okay, so for that, what we'll do, I'll just create a const count set count. By default, we can give state value is 0. So if you see this line, this is our current value and this is the method where we update the count, and this is our initial value. Okay, so for this I'll take two buttons here. I've taken two buttons, increment and increment, plus symbol and minus symbol. So for this increment, this is a small function where I can update the counter. So I'll add these two functions, increment and decrement. Let me add two methods here, increment and increment. So whenever you click on increment, the count will increase, and decrement, the count will decrease. The state of the count will change. So whenever it changes, it automatically update the value in the browser. So for that, we'll add a small code here. Let me add here counter. Okay, let's see. Now, so we have added the code for state hook. Let me add this in our app.js. Use state and click on save. Now let's see. So whenever you click on plus symbol, it is updating the counter. And if you see here in our code, this state value is changing. So initially it is 0. You see, initially 0, and when I click on increment, it is increasing +1, and when I click on decrement, when I click on minus, it is decreasing -1. So that's way now we can update the view state.